Hi, I'm Amanda Fay, and I'm really excited to bring to you my first blog post in which we are going to discuss the importance of having a good work sample. So it seems obvious, right? You're producing a concert, you're being featured at an exhibition, your film is part of a festival, so you're going to document the event, right? Right? Well, it doesn't always seem practical or necessary to document every event, project, or program you participate in, but it is crucial. You never know when you will need video showing your performance for sixth graders or photography of your paintings in a gallery, but many funders want to know how long your history of creating artwork is, and documentation of every event helps you show your programming history. There are multiple ways to document your work, and you should invest in more than one form of documentation. So there are various forms: video, photography, audio recordings, archived program books or program sheets, news articles, or reviews and press releases. When it comes to creating a work sample, consider some different parameters. One, if you're a performing artist, video is king. Try to use one master shot rather than close-ups that don't show all the stage action, unless you're trying to emphasize a particular performer or performance, such as a monologue or a solo. Two, it can be beneficial to take photographs with your audience in view. Showing the audience can help illustrate the diversity of your audience or provide evidence that you're reaching a particular demographic. Three, consider quality and recency. More recent work will have higher value. Something more recent but low quality video, for example, will be less helpful than something a little older but high quality recording or photography. Four, if you're proposing a particular production design, element, audience environment, or something experimental, include illustrations to help the grant reviewers understand your concept. Remember, a picture speaks 1,000 words, and when you're writing a grant that has a 250 word count limit, an illustration will help you cover those extra 1,000 words you need to show them what you mean. Five, for audio and video recordings, many grant applications have a limit of 2 to 5 minutes. Pick the very best of that 2 to 5 minutes of your sample and either edit your sample to that length or be very specific in your viewing instructions of where the reviewer should start the clip. It used to be a lot harder to record and document artistic events. When I was in grad school, we had to check out cameras. We had to make sure we had a tripod. We had to make sure we had someone who was there to work the camera, and also to make sure that it was in a place that had good enough lighting to get a sample. But today, cameras don't cost as much. Almost everyone has one. And everybody has a mobile device, or almost everybody has a smartphone or some kind of device that can easily take video. So there's no excuse to not document your work. Your artistic work sample can make or break your grant application, and no grant writer can fake a sample for you. I can't create samples of your work if you don't have them. So this is one place where you are going to have to step up as the artist and make sure you document your work. Set yourself up for success by documenting everything.